The speculation over the father of Bengali actress and Trinamool Congress MP Nusrat Jahan's newborn son, Yashan J. Dasgupta, has been put to rest by the infant's birth certificate on the website of Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Yashan was born on August 26. Nusrat has been dating Bengali actor Yash Dasgupta after her much publicized estrangement with her husband Nikhil Jain. Speaking to the media recently, she referred to the talk about the father of a newborn child and said, "I think that's a vague question to ask and put a black spot on somebody's character as a woman. The father knows who the father is, and we are having a great parenthood moment together. Myself and Yash, we are having a good time." In the online birth certificate uploaded on Wednesday night, the father's name is mentioned as Debashish Dasgupta. Though there was no mention of Yash in the birth certificate, Debashish, who contested and lost on the BJP ticket in the recent West Bengal Assembly elections from Chanditala in the Hooghly district, is the official name of Yash Dasgupta. Dasgupta has been accompanying Nusrat for her hospital visits. Last week, Nusrat and Yash visited the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. It was believed that the two had come to get the second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, but it may have been regarding the birth certificate, sources said. Sometime back, Nusrat, who is the TMC MP from Bashirhat in North 24 Parganas, had mentioned in Parliament that she was married to Nikhil Jain, but recently she claimed that it was only a live-in relationship. They have been separated for a long time. Countering Nusrat, Jain released a statement that although he had insisted several times on getting married, the MP had refused to go for the registration. Since August 2020, during the shooting of a film, my wife's behavior started changing towards me for reasons best known to her. During our stay together, I requested her on a number of occasions to get the marriage registered, but she avoided my request, he said in his statement. The matter is pending before Calcutta High Court.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.